So this is my folio I made a while back, and I made quite a few things a while back, and I just never got around to putting them up for sale. I just kept making and making and making and making and hoarding, I guess you could say. So I'm going to give you a flip through for this, and then I'm going to put it up on my Etsy site. So this actual folio was a product I bought from Tim Holtz's line. I don't exactly remember if it was Ranger or whatever, but that was this actual brown folio, and then this paper is one of his papers as well. I don't remember what that's called either. I'm sorry. I didn't ever think I would be making to sell and videotaping anything, that's for sure. So this is old stuff. I don't think it's available anymore as my guess, but I just took a little piece of the paper that had a feather here and here, and then put the bird on front, and then it opens like this. And then here you have these two flip outs and then a book. And over here I just made this into a little pocket with these images, and I made just a little tag that goes with the paper. It came in the same paper, and put a little bit of my yarn that I love. I put this on like everything I make. So yeah, that's this. And then again, these flip out here and here. You can add your own images here and down here on this one, and on the back if you want to put some sort of a back. I would, if I was doing this, I'd make some sort of an envelope, and so I can put more things in there, but that's just me. That's how I like to make things. So now I'm going to go through this book, which is very interactive. It's a really interactive book. But before I do that, I just remembered I made a couple of envelopes out of book pages and added a little bit of washi tape, and I thought, well, it doesn't really exactly match, but it's got the birds and stuff. And well, I made a lot of these envelopes and I'm just in love with them, so I was going to include them because again, I love envelopes. I was going to include them with this, so I'm going to just stick that in there so I remember to keep it in there. So here's the like little book, front and back, and again, it's this brown cardstock, but I put black on some of it. I just liked that look. And then here's like the front image. You can embellish that more, put a title, whatever. And like I said, this is gonna have things flying out of it because it's very interactive, which is my favorite thing to do. But so this is just like a little fold out that goes there. I have a couple of cards that I cut out. Again, it's all from the same paper. A little pocket for that. Plenty more room for other things. A tag with some more of my yarn that I like. And here's just a little pocket with another little pocket on it. And here's some more pockets with more birds. And this card, I really like this side. I'm actually going to leave that out that way. It just looks so simple if I do that, though. Looks a little more, what's that interesting there? Okay, anyways. This, another cute little tag with some different edging and the yarn. Little pocket for it, which I can't get it back in. There we go. Some just little snips of the paper, and this one I just kind of tore at the top. I liked that image of that guy. That. Here's this like zebra moth. I think this is a moth. Anyways, that image. And then in here is a cute little book that I made in another tag because I'm obsessed with little tags. And most of it's kind of like this plain paper. There's a few with images, so you can still write on there. Here's some lines. I liked that because of the lines. And there's that book that fits in there. And on this page, pockets, some cute little images there when you remove the ephemera. Again, that blue that I just love. This is the same image of this type of thing, but in a smaller version. And then this is a cute little folder. And this is just a short little image card with a bird and the matching bird. And then this, we flip this up, and then you have all that empty space. And then this little guy can come up like that, and you have this space, or come down and you have all these fun images. And this has the little fern stamped on it. Close that up. This page, this is just like a stamped image on a little piece of paper here, pocket here with a little tuck spot there, and the actual pocket space there, which I've stamped more writing on there. I forgot to flip that over. And on this side, I really like this lined writing area. For that cute little tag. Oh my gosh, I didn't put ribbon in that one. Some more stamped images. And another pocket to put it in. And this page is full of little tuck spots again. These cute small squares. And up here we have a couple of feathers that I've stamped. And here we have a large bookmark, a smaller bookmark, and another little book with just some of this paper inside. Everything's inked on the edges. And that's on another one of those shorter pages. Again, I think this is probably my favorite besides that blue. And another one of these little accordion things for the back. And this is the back cover. And all of that gets put inside here. Like I said, I'm going to add these two fun little envelopes for that. And the closure is just these kind of like elastic bands that close it up. So yep, I'm going to be putting this on my Etsy site, and I will try to remember to put a link at the bottom. I'm new obviously here to YouTube, so bear with me and please remind me, send me a message if I don't. But yeah, this is it. And I have more of these. I might actually do like a tutorial of how I did everything. Maybe if you guys want to see something certain, let me know, because like I said, I'm new and I have lots of ideas, but I'm a little overwhelmed at all the different things to do. So I'm just trying to take it a day at a time when I can. I don't have a whole lot of extra time to be posting right now, but I'm getting more and more time as we progress here. So, and during the winter I'll have a whole lot more time, which is fantastic. So anyways, let me know what you think and leave me a message if you want to see something certain, and leave me a message if I forget to drop my Etsy link, and have a great day. Thanks so much.